LiveAltlife program, I was close to getting to 100 kgs as I was increasing my weight, especially post pregnancy. And in spite of all the other activities I was trying to focus on, I did not reduce my weight, but I was fit. I did not have any other ailments or medical issues. But with LiveAltlife program, this is the first program which gave me a confident and confirmed outcome of reducing my weight. So I, at this point of time, with the 3 months program and slightly continuing after that, I've come down to 85 kgs, and I'm confident. I now know what I should do, what I should eat, how I should keep my exercise yoga regime, my fasting, intermittent fasting, and those kind of regime. I'm very clear now what will help my body to respond to lose weight. So now I know, based on the program, what is the things, interventions that I need to focus on to ensure the weight reduction continues. Now I will not do things which I shouldn't be doing, which goes against my weight reduction. At least I will continue to remain at 85 or continue with the rest of the activities and guidance that I have got from LiveAltlife, which I continue to only focus and reduce the weight even further below this. But I'm pretty sure that I will not go back to the lifestyle which I had prior to LiveAltlife program.